Ugh. This is why I don't go live. Hi, welcome to FiberLoveDiary. I'm Trish. That sounded weird. We're doing it again. Hi, welcome to FiberLoveDiary. I'm Trish if we haven't met, and if we have met, welcome back. You're probably part of those people who love wool. Those are my people, they're my tribe, they're my, I don't know, soul brothers and sisters. Hello, how are you? Yesterday, we were leaving to pick something up that we got on Facebook Marketplace, and we had to do like a 2-hour trip plus loading and all that. And when I was leaving, guess what was on the doorstep? Paradise Fibers. You might be asking yourself, if you're new, and there are lots of new people, if you're new, why does she have two? They send me one to open on my channel, and I give one away that I buy for you people. The way that you can win is starting with this video, going all the way until the next package shows up at my door, and I get the next that video out. If you leave a comment on one of the videos, you'll be eligible to win if they're in that time period. I still have the extra Eco Nylon, no, not Eco, Bio Nylon from May. It is right here. At the end of this video, we'll be drawing for a winner, so make sure you stick around if you think you want to try out the Bio Nylon. Right? Right. Before we do this, the most current Sock Madness round started yesterday around 4 something my time, PM, and I have knitted one sock, and I have decided that I'm going to relax and not try so hard. I don't know why I couldn't stop myself. We had this whole conversation like 15 times, John and I, where I'm like, why do I make myself a slave to this? Like I can't just participate and don't worry about it if I win. If I'm participating, I feel like I have to go, like my dad would call it, hammer and tongs, and I can't stop myself. And I really wanted to stop myself. I was just feeling like a slave to the competition, which is me, not the competition. The competition is fun, tons of cool patterns. It was actually really good. I don't know mentally why I'm like that. It's a little bit annoying, and I've decided I don't want to be a slave to it anymore. We have so much happening. Tomorrow's my dad's birthday, so we're gonna be doing a round trip across the state, and it's just, I don't have time to be a slave to this stuff, and I have no prayer in the world of winning the last round, which would be the one after this one. So even if I won this one, there's no prayer I'm gonna win the next one, and there's no possibility I'm gonna win a prize because. So I'm giving up, but I thought I'd show you guys the last sock. I'm a little curious about opinions. So this is what it looks like. I used Malabrigo sock yarn for the pink. I cannot remember the name of the colorway. And then the black is actually a tweed. It's Welly's Heather from Knit Picks Stroll Tweeds. And it's pretty cool actually, right? So I will knit the other one. I've decided to stop trying to be competitive, I guess. This is probably growth, maybe not. This package is here. Let's open it. I did see a spoiler on someone's Instagram stories. I had to take that person off my Instagram feed. Do you guys know I try to avoid them? I get my package later than a lot of the country, and I don't want it ruined for me. Let's open it. The spoiler, the only thing I know about it was that person was getting ready to do the dyeing in it. So I don't really know exactly what's in here, because of course I was like, oh my gosh, oh no, psh, psh. All right, so let's open it. These are so much fun, and you guys have to know by now that when I get one that I get to dye myself, I am like so excited. So let's open this so we can see what's here for us to dye. Okay, so this month is this super cute tie-dye envelope. I love this. So I'm going to, after this, we're going to get ice cream and then we're gonna go into the pool. So it's like a real summer kid day, only there's no kids here, it's just us. But I'll try not to rush through it just because I get ice cream after this. Okay. All right, so here's my cards. Oh, so it's about ice dyeing, which is funny because didn't I just say recently that ice dyeing would be here soon? Oh no, I reposted on my Facebook that because I did it last year and it's really fun. Okay, so it says it's featuring radiant silk and our new acid dyes. That's cool. All right, so let's, what? Oh my gosh, all right, you guys need to see this. Okay, so let me set up the mulberry silk brick is first. It says 15 microns, it's really fine. Mixed staple lengths, extra wide, thicker comb top that is easy to spread out and dye. Oh, that's cool. Wet felt, blend, or spin. Wait, you can't felt silk, can you? Look, we will definitely be dyeing this here. Definitely, and I'll probably blend it. Because they said it's extra wide and easy to spread out. So probably a lot of you guys already know this, but silk, when I have dyed it in the past without like practicing and knowing what I was doing, it happens a lot that the color doesn't ever get into the middle. I don't really know the physics of it, but I think it's something to do with like surface tension with the water and stuff. And then it also strikes really fast. So see, what they're saying is that you can spread this out so you can dye like more of the surface. I can see that. It's like a thick piece of top. This is so awesome. Maybe I'll just spin this without blending it. Wow, and it's a lot. How much? 4.2 ounces. That is a lot. Okay, there's some tips for spinning, you know, because it's a little different to spin than wools. And let's see what else. Okay. So here, this is the little notions bag. It says 3 Paradise Fine Acid Dye Powder Pots. So it looks like they're doing their own dye now. That's pretty cool. I can't wait to try that. And look how nicely they packaged this up so it couldn't like leak or go anywhere. So it looks like this is like a turquoise or teal color. We'll have to see how it comes out. And I love these little, I guess you'd call them little pots. I love them. Okay, so there's one. Oh, look at this color. I have a friend who used to always call this lipstick color. It made me laugh because, you know, lipstick comes in a lot of colors, but I guess to her, this was the only one. It's really more of like a purple, little bit more of a magenta, I guess. And then there is at least one more in here. Does this it? Yep. Okay, so then we also got a nice yellow. So let me show you the 3 together. Okay, so these are the 3 colors together. I mean, you can't really tell when you look at the powder what color the dye is gonna be, but there's the powder colors anyways. And let's see what else is in here. 1 snow cone, I can't. That is a really cute one. I know there were some people complaining that there weren't stickers in a couple packages. They're making up for it now. This is really cute. And let's see, rainbow lace. Needle sizes up to 2.5 millimeter rubber stitch markers in a clear pot. Okay, I need to open these because I don't I'm not familiar with these stitch markers, so I want to see what, oh, cute. Look at those. Look at those. And they come in this nice little holder. They sell little holders full of different stitch markers at my local yarn shop, and everybody is loving them for like putting them in their purse or whatnot. Those are really nice, and they're rubber. And then one mango passion fruit stash tea. Yum. How fun was that bag? Thank you, Paradise. I cannot wait to get to dyeing this. I definitely want to try these out. I'm sure there's instructions in here because there is more in here on the other card about having a summer dye day. So I don't know if I'm gonna ice dye this, but I will use this dye and I will dye the silk here, and I will do it soon. Like I literally might do it, film it tomorrow and see how quick I can get it up. Oh no, not tomorrow, maybe Sunday. So there's a bunch of information here on how these dyes work and like what you can dye with them and dyeing silk brick and stuff like that. It's exciting, I can't wait. All right, so let's go pick a winner for the bio nylon bag from May. Let's go do it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the project update video. Let me grab a link. Sally, you won! So she said with the white and pink yarn, I would knit a basket. So Sally, to claim your prize, all you have to do is email me at FiberLoveDiary@gmail.com. That email is also in the description box if you need it. And I will send it to you via snail mail. Congratulations, that's exciting. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for joining me for this. Thanks, I love you, bye.